CodeAcademy PHP. In almost a week, I've finished most of it, and I found like a lot of the little stuff. Like I've done PHP before, but there's a lot of little things that I missed because I didn't want to go. Not that I didn't want to go over the tutorial, but because I didn't find the need or time or motivation. But now that I'm kind of focused on learning PHP, like before I was trying to learn JavaScript, now I'm focused on learning PHP. Um, there's a lot of little things that I'm finding useful with learning this. So I'm trying to get a good base for PHP and then advance on to other stuff. Um, if you're watching my videos, I also do like not necessarily tutorials. I'm not really teaching, but I'm going through them. So if you could go through them with me, I don't know if that's helpful or useful. I know this is helpful for me. This motivates me to keep going, keep doing it. Like right now, it's the eighth day straight of me in learning CodeAcademy, and I'm gonna see how long I can keep this streak. Um, so far I've been able to keep it really long for 8 days, but that's kind of actually because I hurt myself, so I'm almost stuck here. Not stuck here, but um, I can't really move. So well, that's anyway. So and enough of that. So let's just let's go to the coding. So we're doing conditionals and logic in PHP. So I actually did some of this before. So there's two parts, and let's see. And I'm actually 53% done. So these last lessons, take up almost 50% of of the courses of this course. But we're almost there. So I should be done with this week. Okay, so we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'm gonna try to finish this today. Okay. Else if statement. Okay. So far we've been writing conditionals that can handle one condition, else if that condition is met. We do one thing, otherwise we do something else. Only allows this only allows us one or two courses of action, but programs can be far more complex. Consider letter grades. Okay, consider letter grades on a school assignment. If the grade is less than 60, it's F, or else if the grade is less than 70, it's D, or else if the grade is less than 80, it's C, or else if the grade is less than 90, it's B, or else it's an A. We can write conditionals with multiple if statements using the else if construction. The computer will continue through each condition until it finds a condition which is met or it gets to the end, whichever comes first. Okay, so let's look at this. Let's implement our letter grades. Let's implement our letter grades. I want to tell me to move. So I'm gonna try to move a little bit. Can't really stand up. My desk actually stands up if I press the button, but I can't stand right now. So I'm gonna be doing movements. Neck. Okay. Maybe take a few breaths. Okay, so let's implement our letter grades example in this code, okay? In the code above, variable grade has a value 88. The computer will check each condition until one is met and run that block of code. When it gets to the condition grade less than 90, it evaluates to true. That code block executes and you got B. Is logged into the terminal. Notice that the order of our conditionals is important. The grade 55 would satisfy the condition grade less than 90, but it meets the condition intended for. Its grade, okay, so So the order matters. Okay. What if the else if statement were in different orders? Okay, so the order matters. The computer above will output you gotta be to the terminal. Since the computer will run the first truth, we need to take care when constructing our conditionals that they have the outcome we want. Okay. Note, we may encounter the else if with a space separating the word. In many situations, else if will work the same way as else if. Since else if works more universally, that's what we choose to use. Okay. Else if. So, okay. You're going to write a function to determine the likely genetic relationship between two people. Okay. So let's start. Function what relation. Okay. So let's space this. Okay. That has one number parameter representing the percentage of DNA. The two people share. Your function should print the likely relationship as a string. Okay. We expect the number passed in to always be an integer from 0 to 100. Okay. Here's how it should calculate the relationship. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay. Uh, uh, percent chance probability chance percent chance of relationship. Okay. So um chance of relationship. Okay. Okay. Should print. Okay. If if should I just go to 0 first? If 0 if no, I'm gonna do this if chance of relationship. I'm gonna actually make this CR because I don't want to write all that. Chance of relationship CRN, chance of relationship number. So if CRN equals 0, we're gonna output. We're gonna return or echo. Should print. Okay. Okay, it says print. So if okay, if no, we're gonna return. We're gonna return. We're gonna return. We're gonna return not genetically related. Else if one through 2 should print. Else if CRN. So if it's 0, okay. So if it's less than so if it's less than 2, no, less than or equal to 2, return, okay. I'm just gonna see how they do it. I'm just gonna run mine, because I kind of know this, but I just don't really want to spend so much time doing this. Okay, so if percentage, oh, echo, so they're actually doing echo. So mine was a return, so that's a mistake I had. Else if echo, echo, echo. Okay, so what relationship? Okay, so I don't have to. So if I just type in what relationship, then like I don't have to do echo what relationship. So this is starting to make a little more sense now, for me at least. Okay, next switch statement. Okay. Okay, so this is like the same thing as before. Okay. Switch case echo break. Okay. The U.S. government has multiple classifications of air quality, each symbolized by color. Okay. Write a function. Okay. Function air quality. Okay. I didn't put my braces. Okay. Okay, so let's write a switch statement. Switch grade. Okay. So it's so case, so if grade, so if, okay, so if, so case, let's figure out the numbers for this. So, okay, so this is pretty easy. This is kind of just, goes by color. So if case equals green, okay, so I have to remember this, case green, okay. I'm gonna write this down, echo, so, and then we break out of this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna write this. So switch statement, switch, and then I have my parameter, parameter or argument, and then I do case, whatever the case is, and then I do colon, and then whatever you want to, whatever function you want to fire off, and then break. Okay, I get this. I'm actually doing this quick too because I have to go to the bathroom. User input read line. Actually, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna actually do algorithms. I feel kind of more ready for this because I'm looking at all of this. I'm seeing that I know a lot of this. The other parts I didn't, so I'm gonna do these slower. Let me see if stuff that I won't know. probably this nested conditional. Yeah, this is stuff that's gonna be a little so I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna do algorithms. I haven't done algorithms for almost 2 months. Before that I was doing a lot in JavaScript, but if you guys are interested in that, I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna spend some time that. Okay, so conditional. All the stuff that I learned here translates to that as well. So loops in PHP, this is super useful. But so oh man. So coming from like a JavaScript background or programming background, you really only have to do up to 6, and then conditional. You don't have to do the last 2 sections. Well, actually, you don't really have to do conditionals. Like I found that part. Well, that's probably the easiest part. Okay, anyway, so let's see how I do in algorithms. I'm gonna stop here. This video is a little shorter than normal, but